Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the virtual wall in the Xiaomi application, and then we have the robot vacuum Dream D10 Plus. So as you can see, there have our application. If you want to set the virtual wall in your room, just click on the no-go zone in the right bottom corner, then click on the virtual wall, and now you can set the wall that the robot should just pass it. Then click on the accept, and basically that's it. As you can see in our scan of the room, we have the virtual wall. If you want to remove it, just open the no-go zone, click on this wall and click on the X, then save it by the accept button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.